Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you affiliate marketing hack and how you can actually get free traffic coming to your affiliate products or services that you have. And when actually most of the time people start, they want to go with the route of getting solo ads and creating content, right? But the method that I'm going to be sharing with you is, right, you can really get it automated, so that way you don't waste a lot of time doing this method. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So you need to go to this first video here on my channel, where you can take a business for model from $25 all the way to 6 figures, right, within a very short amount of time. And I share with you step by step what you need to do from day one. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So the channel that I was going to share with you is this channel here. This channel is a faceless channel, and pretty much they have got the whole entire channel automated, right? And if I click on just one of the video they're actually doing, in here you can actually see the links that they're sending to the offers that they're actually promoting, right, through their YouTube automation business model, right? And the way this channel is actually making money is two ways. First, they're making money with YouTube AdSense. Another way they're actually making money is promoting the affiliate products that they have, right? So, and they're creating the videos on a daily basis, 2 videos in a week, 3 videos in a week, and they're pretty much got their channel fully automated, right? And they are actually getting the talents from websites called Upwork and also Fiverr. So they might go onto their website and pretty much just look for talents like video editors, script writers, voiceovers, right? And each video might be costing them close to about $15, $25, $30, right? And that way you can actually get everything fully automated. But if you don't want to pay for anything, and if you really want to get free ways to get traffic, there's a lot of channel, but this is the most successful channel that I actually saw, who's actually is a face channel, and they're pretty much creating the videos like 2-3 videos in a week, and they're really consistent, right? Smart money tactics. And on every single video they just have a link in the description area, right? So you can actually do what they're doing, because success does leave clue, and you need to be creative, because most of the time people, they want to get like a quick thing. But I'll tell you one thing is, after building multiple channels on YouTube is a long-term strategy, right? And once you master YouTube, it will pay you dividends like within a very long term, right? This is a long-term vision that you want to build, and if you just stop all the other paid methods, and if you just focus all your energy and attention on YouTube, right, YouTube will even if you start to stop working, YouTube will still be paying you like years down the road, and as long as YouTube is around for that long, right? And I'm pretty sure YouTube is not going anywhere. So this is the best platform to actually create content on is YouTube, right? Because people actually come to YouTube just to look for answers, and when they actually see you as a authority in that particular niche, right, they build a like, know and trust with you, so they're actually going to be buying anything that you're going to be offering to them, right? But you need to be creating a valuable content, so that way audience just keeps coming on your channel on a daily continuous basis. Okay, so but if you also don't want to show your face, you're just scared to get out there, this is an awesome tool that you can also use. It's called Pictree, and this is a software that can actually turn your script into a awesome video format, right? It's all generated with the help of AI, and you also have like a voiceover, right? So it's all fully automated. I think you need to pay like a monthly subscription. I'm not quite sure how much it is to actually pay for this software, but it's going to be pretty cheap, rather than you going out and hiring talents, which is going to cost you a lot of money. But in here you can create unlimited videos and keep using it, and just all you have to do is just find what topics are actually working on these channels, right? For example, if I see a video that's got like 19,000, 38,000, 40,000, I'll recreate this video, and that way I can get actually traffic onto my channel, or also my affiliate offers that I'm actually promoting, right? So these are the awesome way to actually get traffic coming into your channel or coming into a affiliate, because YouTube, there's a lot of people actually going on YouTube, right? Like what I actually shared with you, and people are just wondering how to make money online, right? And even if you have like healthcare products or whatever you actually promoting out there, YouTube is the best way and a long-term thing. I don't know if there's going to be TikTok available or Instagram, right? But YouTube is the best platform to actually get free traffic, and you can get unlimited leads, right? So imagine if you have like 9.2k views on a video. Even out of that, only 10% or 5% goes to your affiliate links and clicks on that link. You're going to be making money, right? So and you can literally just keep printing money like when you're even sleeping. So that's the best part about doing a YouTube channel. So if you still haven't started a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you to start YouTube channel, because this is a long-term thing, and you're not gonna get wrong if you choose to go this route, and that way you can actually get traffic coming into your funnel, coming into your channel, going and buying your offers that you're actually promoting, right? So hopefully I gave you some more insights on this video, and hope you got some value out of it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, so I can better connect with you. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be creating a series on how a complete beginner can start making money online within the next few days. But if you are still watching, there's going to be a video just on the page right now, right? You need to click that video and watch and how can actually turn $25 into a 6-figure business model online. Thank you again. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. My God bless you all.